Hello, Mr. Arvind.
Hello,
New yogi. Have a look.
you.
That's a new yogi.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to transform your 650 Interceptor, which is highly customized with Avbatti exhaust. Two snakes going there into one, and whole lot of things. And he gave me the opportunity to install a cam, which he got. I don't want to know from where he got it, but it is supposed to be some SNS cam, which he have managed to get. So I said, okay, this is a very interesting project. And it was delayed. This question and answer has been going on for almost 6 months. And finally, he said, okay, we got it, and I had the opportunity. He gave me enough time. He said, take whatever time, but I want you to do it very leisurely. He managed to get it going, and I'm very touchy about riding big bikes in today's traffic. So only my boy took it for a small ride, and we didn't want to risk taking it on the road or anything. And finally, he has come to collect it today.
Yes.
So now Arvind sir will give you a just brief as to what he felt from before. And basically what we did was we removed the oil cooler from there to give it more airflow, because the heating was the main cause of this bike. In any bike you just see it gets very hot. So we wanted to really use the air cooling from here, which goes straight into the engine. Now that it's all clear, he is just gone, filled up, went to the foothills of Chamandi Hill and come back. Yes sir, you take over and let me know.
Yes, sir. First thing, thanks, Singana, for agreeing to do the work. For pursuing. I had got my esteem done earlier. It was transformed, so knew what to expect. But this is beyond expectation, because I have done 10,000 kilometers on this bike. Every time the discussion with my friend was, when can I sell this bike and upgrade to something else, because of rideability factors. No doubt it's powerful, but lower RPMs, city traffic, the number of gear changes was annoying to me personally. And after whatever the magic touch and the pill he has done to this, rideability has increased tremendously. I think the RPM, idle RPM has come down to about 1000 RPM. Vehicle pulls from 1000 RPM and keeps on pulling. Now third gear has become the new first gear. It has become like a universal gear. I can keep on riding. Thanks for that. Actually couldn't believe. I was actually thinking to tattoo instead of transform something else for this. It has come out beautifully, and the power band holds on for a very long time. Once I hold in a particular gear, it can keep on crawling. It's become very, very manageable and feels more agile. Thank you, Singana, for agreeing to do the work.
Thank you, sir. It's all time, tide, and luck, and we had the time, and you gave us time. One of the main things that you have achieved now is such low RPM, you can go into higher gears without snatching, without any...
Sorry, I missed out to tell something very, very important. Without the oil cooler, vehicle is much cooler now. And especially after 2-in-1, the heat had become much higher in my vehicle. Now, without the oil cooler, it is much cooler. That is something very surprising. Very surprising. Thanks for the magic tattoos.
All the best, sir. Happy motoring, safe
Thank you so
motoring.
much.
And as we said, that noise level has got to be brought down, because that's a rocket silencer. Now we have to do. But what was a very amazing, we saw in the morning, after we started, water started dripping. So, and you had not noticed it earlier.
Never seen
it, because it is running much cooler and it's condensing. So happy. I hope the fuel also condenses and you get more kilometers per liter.
Thank you, sir.
Regardless of things.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Pleasure.
Sir.
Thank you for doing the job. Thank you.